Good morning. Today, we are moving beyond the hype cycles to perform a rigorous analysis of the four pillars of modern artificial intelligence. We will focus on ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Copilot. By 2026, these tools have transitioned from simple chatbots to sophisticated reasoning engines. Our objective is to determine which architecture serves your specific professional requirements. Let us begin with Google Gemini, whose primary advantage remains its massive context window. If you are a researcher analyzing 10,000-page legal documents, Gemini is the superior choice for high-volume data synthesis. Turning now to OpenAI's ChatGPT. While others have chased context size, OpenAI has doubled down on System 2 thinking, deliberate multi-step reasoning. When a task requires complex mathematical logic or strategic business modeling, ChatGPT remains the benchmark for accuracy. However, if your work involves the human element, nuanced writing, or ethics, Anthropic's Claude is your tool. It avoids the robotic cadences found in its peers. It provides a level of stylistic depth that feels like a true academic collaborator. Finally, we look at Microsoft Copilot. It is the ultimate execution layer designed for deep integration within the professional workspace. It is designed for the corporate professional to automate workflows directly within the existing infrastructure. To summarize, choose Gemini for data, ChatGPT for logic, Claude for creativity, and Copilot for productivity. The question is no longer if you should use AI, but which architecture aligns with your cognitive workflow. Thank you for your time. Good day.